Natasha and we're here at the Fish Shed in St Ives, Cornwall. I'm here with Cape Cornwall Rum to show you how to make some easy do-it-yourself-at-home cocktails. Our next cocktail is Bird of the Cape. This is originally a Tiki cocktail, so although I'm using this rather elegant glass, you can use anything you like and just have fun with it. So this one, we are using the Cape Cornwall White Rum, and we're going to put 40 ml of this in. $40 ml of Campari. Now, if you have Aperol lying around at home, you could use this as well, but I prefer the colour and the bitterness of the Campari. We're then going to add 60 ml of pineapple juice, 20 ml of lime juice, and 20 ml of our Demerara syrup. So this is just Demerara sugar and water made into a darker syrup, just a little bit more flavour than your usual simple syrup. And as always, we're going to fill our glass with ice. Give it a good shake. Fill our glass with ice. And just like the others, we're going to strain it in. Now, you can get as frivolous with the decorations with this one as you want. You can use maraschino cherries if you like, any fruit you've got lying around. For this one, I'm just going to take a wedge of pineapple, cut a slit in it, pop it in, and add 2 of my fresh pineapple leaves. Add a straw, and there we have it.